guys, we're back for 1 year. It's been a long time. It's been 1 year. Haven't we spoke or anything? Because we're on vacation on Ilocos. Look, here. It's sunny day, guys. Guys, here is our puppy. This is my puppy. That's my puppy. And this is yung puppy ko. And this is my twins puppy, Kendall. And I'm Kendra. And here is my puppy. And sino ka ba nagpapakita? So boring. What should we do? Let's go.
Adyan ka na naman.
Wait lang! Wait lang! Sorry guys. Sorry.
Saan yung babae na yun? Uy, ba't mo ginanyan?
Tinatanggal niya Liza. Toot! Cringe Among Us. My puppy is tanggaling her name. Badbad mo ah. Tulog ka na. Tulog. Cut. I'm gonna show you the house. Let's go take some Diyan kami nanonood ng cartoon, guys. Alam mo naman. Ito lang yung inaalis mo. Oh, let's go. Kuha ng artillas. Wait lang, kuhain ko lang slippers ko. Who sleep? We love some fruits. Pedra, itagal mo na yung slipper na yan. Ito gabitin natin. Sinasayag bulag. Kung gusto mo, pang pasik ko yan. Pagpasik. Wala kayo, di ako kukuha ng artillas. Oh, sige, oh. Kendall, bakit ba? Kendra, di ba sira? Di ba ano? Meron naman extra shoes ako. Pag nawala to, gagamitin ko to.
Oo nga.
Pag nabasa to, gagamitin ko to. Pag nasira to, gagamitin ko na to forever. Pag nawala
Sige na.
sa ocean, gagamitin ko to. Sarap yun, sarap.
Mamaya! Kasi gabi? Kung pala na yun, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I
9, 10.
6, I 5, I 4. 4.
Oh, 4. 2 pa lang. 2 pa lang. 2 hours muna.
4 tayo kukuha ng artillas. Artillas is our favorite
Huwag
fruit.
pumunta sa labas. Ang init-init.
Then, we have some cringe amogas. Kendra, bawal mong cringe. I-post natin to. Duck, truck, buck. Fun to ride. Snake, shit. That's to ride. Next. Gulo ng buhok mo? Let's go, girl. We're at the boat. We're at the boat. Let's go. We're traveling. We're traveling. Let's go. Let's go to the boat. Kuya, i-under mo na po. Sige. Ang bayad mo. Let's go, girl. Andito po, kuya. Tara. Ay, baba na.